15-pin, HD15, Deluxe High Density D-Sub cable assembly by Amphenol. Connectors. HD15 male to HD15 female D-Sub connectors pre-installed. Cable. 26 Aruban Florins UL listed with copper tape plus aluminum Mylar shields. Straight-through wiring design per industry standards. Amphenol 15-pin, HD15, Deluxe High-Density D-Sub cables provide exceptional performance in commercial, industrial or enterprise applications where longevity and repeated disconnects are required. Double-shielded cable design features 26 Aruban Florins data-grade wire, pre-terminated to HD15, aka DB15HD, male and female D-Sub connectors. Not designed for video or HDTV use. Top reviews from the United States. Worked perfectly to extend Logitech Z-680 Control Console. After a lot of trial and error, this cable did the job perfectly. I've had these wonderful Logitech speakers for 20 years, and they're simply amazing. Only issue was always that proprietary serial cable it uses to connect to the amp inside the woofer. This cable worked perfectly. It's obviously solidly built, plus it came with nuts to gender swap the plug screws. That's exactly what I needed since the Z680 has a very strange male-female combination going with the controller cable. Highly recommended if you have my niche problem.